I'm in Mirror Lake State Park at the start of the Echo Rock Trail. It's about 6 a.m., still dark, as you can see. Echo Rock has a great view, from what I understand. Today I'm also doing the Ishnala loop, which is a loop on the Ishnala Trail that will go to the right from the perspective we are at now. In order to get to Echo Rock in the daytime, I'm going to do the Ishnala loop first, and by the time I get to Echo Rock, it should be light. The Echo Rock Trail goes down there. I've come down this way a bit, and I'm instead going to take this trail here to connect to Ishnala. This runs parallel to the Echo Rock Trail for a little bit. It's right over there as we stand right now. But I will go down this one and then make a right. That trail gets you to the Ishnala Bridge here. Echo Rock is down that way. This is the Ishnala loop. I'm heading north on it, and it will swing out east to make a big loop before heading back. The Ishnala loop is a paved trail so far, so very easy walk. Let's see, we got some kind of junction here. Let's see if I can figure out where I need to go from the map. I think right. So yes, from here, right is correct. Left, I believe, takes you to the Ishnala Supper Club, but we're gonna wanna go this way. Got our first street crossing here. We will go up and cross this street one more time on the way back. The trail has switched to gravel, essentially. After that street, we've got a little bit of elevation gain here. Not a ton. This area here is essentially walking on matted grass, and the grass together with the snow is making for very soft footfalls. The trail approaches US Route 90 and 94 right there. This is pretty much the northernmost point. We'll head southeast over there and then turn right after a bit to head back west. The sky is lightening up a bit. I'm back at the road, crossing it on the way back. And I noticed there's some kind of Native American display or something over there. I'm gonna go check that out. Looks like it's a teepee statue. Looks like it's made of concrete. Oh, that looks like it's wood in the middle there. Interesting. The gateway to Ishnala. All right, well, this gateway is just a stone's throw from the trail, so I'm gonna head back to the trail and continue on. Uh-oh, guys. I was not warned about this. Gotta keep my eyes open. I'm at another junction here. There is a segment of, I believe, also the Ishnala Trail that heads that way, but the loop continues back to the right. So this is my turning point to head back west. So this is the southern end of the loop, heading east to west. It's all pretty much been like this. Flat, leafy, there's gravel under here. Easy. Well, skiers, I think, are getting a steep hill warning here. Let's see what that actually means. Well, I can see how you could get some speed on here with skis, but hiking down it, can't really call it steep. Coming down here, we've got the first sort of interesting terrain I've seen so far. It's also gotten light enough that my headlamp is now off. And I'm back to that bridge I went over earlier. This actually explains what happened there. I couldn't find the rightward part of the loop, and that's because it doesn't connect to the bridge. The loop only goes left up there, and then you come back under it from the right here. So I guess they connect further down there somewhere. The gulch I've been walking in continues down that way, presumably flowing into the river down there. Actually, there's a little side trail here. Let's go take a peek. There, that's probably an inlet from the river. And that's the gulch we came from. This trail, however, we came from that way. So coming from that way, you'd make this right and go up here. This is actually taking us back to the north, and I believe it goes north a bit, loops around, and reconnects with the original trail. All right, so this gravel trail ends, and we head right. We're a little... Oh, there's the road. That must be the supper club over there. And I believe that right there is the original trail. Yeah, this is where I stopped to check the map earlier. So to complete our loop, we walk back this way to the bridge. After the bridge, we're going to turn right to head down to Echo Rock. So this trail puts us above where we just walked. You can see the lower trail right down there. Off to the trail's right side here, we've got a bench with a view. Ah, here's the river. This fence obviously corrals us to the right, and I'm gonna guess that right there is Echo Rock. Is this the way up? Looks like it. I'm gonna follow the path. I think the path's gonna go around it, maybe? Let's see. Looks like there's some more challenging ways to get up top there if you like. That completes the loop around the rock back to this little bench here. And I'm gonna take what looks like the obvious way up. Oh, here we are. This is the peak of Echo Rock. So, does it live up to its name? Echo! A little bit. Let's get down from here and wrap up the trail. So after you descend from Echo Rock, come up this trail, and then this way, there appears to be another view here. This view is obstructed by evergreen, so all year long, you're gonna get about this view. From that view, head down this paved path, and that'll get us to the street we crossed right at the beginning. The bridge is in sight again over there, and this path turns right to that part that runs parallel with the path that leads into the bridge. Back to the first road I crossed this morning, and back to the parking lot.